Hi. So the second standard of standards of professional conduct is integrity of capital markets, which basically says what are the things that a member or a candidate should be careful about so as to preserve the integrity of capital markets. So the first point, it holds two substandards. One is material non-public information. So what is material and what is non-public? Material information is any information that could potentially affect price of a security, right? So material is अगर कोई price of security को कुछ ऐसा information जो affect कर सकता है, या फिर ऐसा information है which a reasonable investor would want before making investing decision. Those information are called material information. What is non-public? As the name suggests, it is basically information that is not available to public at large or in the marketplace, right? And इसमें एक बहुत अच्छा exception है which we need to be very careful about is analyst con call. जो conference calls होते हैं post results या फिर on a priority basis, वो con calls are not public information. Those will form non-public information, right? So all the information that is not available in the marketplace, it's called non-public information, which includes anything discussed in the con calls. उसको भी हम non-public बोलेंगे. Material information is any information that could potentially affect price of a security. What a member or a candidate cannot do with MNI, material non-public information के साथ आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हो? You cannot act on MNI that could affect investment value. आप उस information पे act नहीं कर सकते हो so as to gain out of it in any form of investments, right? It includes mutual funds. म्यूचुअल फंड में मान लो 50 सिक्योरिटीज है, आउट ऑफ दैट वन सिक्योरिटी के रिलेटेड आपको कुछ मटेरियल नॉन पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन है. ट्रेडिंग दैट म्यूचुअल फंड विल आल्सो constitute violation of this standard, right? So we understood what is material non-public and what the standard says. It also says that it's okay to use material non-public information for intended purposes. Let's say you are working in an investment firm where you are given such material non-public information to put into an Excel or make a report. You can do what is told to you in terms of intended purposes, but you cannot act on it to make personal or professional gains in terms of investing. And it also has an exception in terms of mosaic theory, which says any investing decision which is taken on public information combined with non-public non-material information, it will not constitute violation of this standard. So हमने अभी तक क्या ऐसा पढ़ा था? Material non-public information. यहाँ पे बोला गया है नॉन मटेरियल नॉन पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन. वो इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसा है जो पब्लिक में अवेलेबल नहीं है बट इट इज नॉन मटेरियल. सो अगर अब वो ज्यादा वैल्यू होल्ड नहीं करता, इट डजंट होल्ड एनीथिंग दैट कैन पोटेंशियली अफेक्ट द प्राइस, तो फिर आप उसको कंबाइन कर दो पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग इन्वेस्टिंग डिसीजन इट इज ओके, इट विल नॉट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट वायलेशन ऑफ दिस स्टैंडर्ड, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड in the integrity of capital market standard is material non-public information, which says you cannot act on it to gain through investment, right? So let's move on to second one.